Homeowners don't give a shit when you say that you do the highest quality unit installs. Instead, explain specifically what you do different than the competition. Explain where most companies cut corners on an install and how you don't. Then show that you believe in your quality by explaining your warranties. Not your 2-year labor warranty required by the law. The longer the better. Match your manufacturer's warranty if you can. This is how you get customers on social media to choose you for your quality instead of your price. If you want to get more HVAC jobs through social media, click the link in our bio to schedule a call with us so we can put together a game plan for your business.